All right, welcome back to Building Dad Bod 2.0. Monday is straight up back volume, vertical and horizontal pulls. Starting with some just body weight pull-ups, sets of two, just trying to see where my speed's at. Been dealing with these forearm injuries, lost a lot of power on my pull-ups, so checking my speed. We're going to start building the power back up. So back to weighted McGills, but I'm going to drop the weight, just do chains, 50 pounds in chain. So start with just my body weight plus a little bit extra, and then as I come up, by the time I get to the top of the pull-up, I've got all 50 pounds. Lets me accelerate into the pull-up a bit. So here, 6 sets of 2. This is the 6th set here. So goal is to just keep shortening the rest times between sets and trying to get the speed evened out. So the last set is, we want to get it as close to as fast as the first set as possible. As those get faster, then we can start adding some sets, and then we can start adding more weight. These forearm injuries are at the point where I just feel like I can start pulling hard again and not be stressed about it. Right after the pull-ups, went into some supinated pull-downs, 3 sets here, all right around 10 reps per set. Then on to, this is my favorite rowing exercise, on to Kroc rows. I won't show you the whole set here. Set of 18 with 110 pounds. Just easing back into it. I'm using straps. Tried 1 rep without straps. I could hold it, but my elbow did not like it. So we're just going to wear straps for the next little bit while I'm rehabbing these forearm elbow injuries. But excited to start doing these again. We'll jump up to 120 next week, and hopefully we'll be back up to doing 180 like we were a few months ago before I hurt my right forearm. After that, doing some high rows. Watch the channel, you know, when I'm doing horizontal pulls, I like to hit a low row and I like to hit a high row. High rows, I'm trying to kind of emulate my same arm position as my bench press, strengthen that upper back for bench press stability. Then on to some cable pullovers. So switched up my grip this week, went pronated, felt way better, got a much more of an arcing motion. You can see from this angle, I dropped the cables a bit. I think I'm going to drop it another hole or 2 next week, and I'll get a bigger stretch. But this felt really, really good today. Got a nice stretch in the lats, a good lat pump. So this week I went 8 reps on pullovers, and then right away superset that with some lat prayers. And really good combo for me. Got a massive lat pump, tons of blood in my lats. Both exercises, you get a really good stretch and you feel the lats working like crazy on the way back up. So sets of 12 on the lat prayers right after the sets of 8 on the pullovers. And then once I was done that, just a couple exercises to work on grip. So get a little extra pulling volume at the same time. Did towel pull down, so using this stack, but just with a single pulley. So 105 pounds, not a ton of weight. Sets of 20, just doing what the kind of the elbows and forearms can handle, keeping the pain threshold down, but making the forearms work, trying to get these injuries rehabbed. And then same thing here. So just 40 pounds here, doing hammer curls with the towel. Really makes the hands work hard, and makes the forearm, so makes the radial brachialis work really hard on these. I felt it right into where my outside of my right forearm into my elbow where it hurts. But just doing the right amount of weight that I'm not making the injury worse, getting a ton of blood in there, getting the forearm stronger. We're going to come out of this rehab in a way better spot than where we started. The grip's so important for pulling exercises, and the wrist stability, forearm stability is so important for pressing exercises. So we're working hard at that. That's it for the workout. Have a great night.